What's up guys, my name is Autumn for those of you that don't know me, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are ditching the Camaro and I'm going to be driving 2 hours out to Sedona to drive a Lamborghini Huracan Spider, a Ferrari 48 Spider, and a Porsche GT3, which is one of my dream cars, and I'm going to take you guys with me through this vlog of the day, and I'm super excited, so let's get to it. Okay guys, it's freezing cold and I'm shaking obviously, and the first stop is Starbucks. I'm probably not allowed to record in here. Video. Okay, ready? Let's start the daily today. Guys, we don't have the Camaro today, so this is the daily, and we are at Skyrock Resort in Sedona.
Yay.
It's so pretty, and
Lots of rocks. A lot of rocks.
And
big rocks.
We just saw the cars and they're so pretty, and they're
like camera socks. I'm a camera lady. Let's just check it out. Okay, ready? With the okay. And then there's me with bands and camera socks. Camera socks with the camera girl. Hopefully I didn't get on camera.
Oh, probably like what the f wrong with this?
I can't help it.
Hi.
What's going on, guys? Good morning.
Get it all.
I got it. Alright,
Aaron. Okay, look at this Porsche.
This is a Porsche. Shark blue. Autumn. Is that one your favorite?
That's my favorite. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to drive it.
And I say you're going to start with the other cars first.
Yeah.
And we'll put you in that second. That way it's long sweepers and you can get comfortable. Because the first section is going to be super tight and like super technical. So if you want to have the most fun, I think second's next.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
What's your name?
Autumn.
Autumn, I'm Connor.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure, I'll be leading.
I got my odometer here. Aaron, nice to meet you.
Guys,
She's my camera lady today.
Yeah. I got my camera socks and all.
This is your favorite one?
Yeah.
She loves it. Lives. Here, we'll go through all of this. Okay, so talk about which cars we're driving today.
Okay. I don't know what I'm
Blue?
driving. Okay,
Red,
so
blue,
I
red, white.
believe today we are driving, so we're driving 3 cars, which is this blue GT3, and then I know we're driving a Lamborghini Huracan Spider, and then a Ferrari 488 Spider. I don't know which colors they are, I don't know which ones.
I think the last two.
There's an overview. They sound so good.
Ready, do your best meow. Ready, set, go. Give me your best bark. Bark.
Oh, I'm not barking. People are gonna think I'm crazy. We are in like the orientation thing.
We will be back in Sedona. We will, it will definitely be sure.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
We're excited. They said we can go fast.
Okay guys, so the first car that we are starting in is this Ferrari 488, and I'm gonna start it. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, this is making me nervous.
Damn.
Nervous. Oh my gosh.
It's so cold.
It's so cold.
Oh my gosh, there's seat heaters in this thing.
I'm wondering if I should move the seat forward at all, because like I can like reach the pedals, but
With your bougie shoes?
yeah. Okay. Alright. We'll stop it for now and then get footage once we start driving.
Are you sure? Danger. Danger, danger, danger.
Danger zone.
Damn. Horsey.
It's so pretty. Oh, look at the view.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we cross the top of this hill, we're seeing slow it down here. We're going to go nice and easy as we're starting to enter in the town of Jerome.
Got that? Copy.
Look at that sun. It's bright as hell outside.
Alright, so a little neighborhood. This gives such Cars vibes, like, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
These people are probably like, what the heck?
Once you guys press that last little left-hand turn, I guess look straight ahead. There's a pretty well-known, famous Ghost City Inn, Ghost Hotel. You guys aren't familiar with that?
Oh, that is the Ghost Hotel.
What's the ghost hotel?
It's supposed to be haunted.
Oh, what?
People stay there.
Why would you
That's what I'm saying. I would never, personally.
Who would want to stay in a hotel that's haunted? Okay, so far, it's pretty fun. We're in Jerome, driving through the town, so it's only like 20 miles per hour, but I'm enjoying it.
Yes, we are.
And the turns are very tight, and the road's skinny, so that's interesting.
Alright, then once you guys make it to the stop sign here, we are going to be making a right. It is a one-lane, one-way, so we are clear.
Bumpy. we just finished driving the 488, and then now we're going to be driving the GT3. I'm so excited. Yours?
Look how pretty, yeah. Look how pretty it is in here. I love this one. I want this one.
This is so pretty.
Hi.
Hi.
That's awesome. Colby's FaceTiming me. Hi, Colby.
Can I say hi? Hi.
Hi, Autumn. How are you?
Good. I'm driving a Porsche, so I'm good.
We're driving a Porsche now.
Sick invite. I mean, that's cool. I didn't want to come anyway.
They were doing
So they can watch, listen to this guy.
Alright, has anyone gone over this with you?
what?
Setup
No,
wise?
no.
Alright, let's go real quick.
Sorry, Colby.
Did you do that?
What? No, I didn't do that.
No?
Maybe you did.
Someone's naughty.
You can play around with it. Cool, real quick. So this is the one you wanted. This is the most basic out of the three.
Yeah.
Foot on the brake. That black one on top of the shift knob, you actually just push that down and shift all the way back.
Okay.
Can't get any easier than that.
Okay.
If you're now comfortable doing the manual, if you shift that down and then to the left, that's strictly manual mode. Otherwise, just straight down for
Okay.
drive.
Okay.
Blinkers, everything's normal on this car. You got your mirrors, music, AC, all that stuff's pretty self-explanatory. Radio, cameras on, so you guys are ready to rock and roll. We'll put you back up front.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
I have to start recording. I'm video gal.
She's my videographer today.
Because we're about to go on the freeway too. Okay, I'm gonna get a video with this.
Yes. I'm gonna introduce.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
Wait. And action.
Hello. Okay. So we just got of the 488, and now we are in the GT3 in Shark Blue, which is one of my favorite colors. And yeah, this is our first stop, and I'm really excited. Where are we going? The highway? Freeway?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to Prescott?
Yeah, we're about to. Our next stop is
we're going to Prescott. So
next stop. Pit stop. Oh.
So should I rev it? Do you think they'll get mad if I rev it?
Wait till we leave. I'll wait.
No, I think I want to do it right now.
Okay. You're crazy.
Think
Don't
they'll
you
get mad?
No, there's someone. Oh, they're doing check marks. He's like, what the this bitch. Yeah, see, he's there. Old man's helping.
Hear it.
I do too. We're going to. Patience, my
I
friend.
think he's gonna get pissed off.
Wait, we gotta show them the pimp. Watch out. Move your face. Move.
I'm gonna say, can I rev it?
No, look. I'm gonna look at the woman we have right over here.
Oh wait.
Woman we have right over here.
Oh wait. He just ran into the mirror.
That's on a video. Wait, look at the pimp we got over. We got a pimp over here. She doesn't know if I'm getting a video of her or not.
Oh my god.
Pimped out.
So I wanted to take a quick second to call out all the guys on here watching that are constantly too busy detailing their cars or cleaning their cars and never taking the time to clean up themselves, which is super important, especially for those of you that have girlfriends. So brought to you by Manscaped. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Beard Hedger, which is one of their newer products, and it is an electric beard trimmer. So personally, I love the fresh shaven look, and a lot of girls right now are obsessed with like the Top Gun vibes, the mustache vibes, and you guys can get this with this trimmer. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing It comes in this case, and then you can open it up. And here's what it looks like on the inside. And it comes with a cord because this is chargeable, so you charge it and it can last up to 60 minutes. So you can use it in the shower to make less of a mess, which all of us girls appreciate. And yeah. So for these products and any other products that you guys want to get off Manscaped, you guys can use my code ZL1BABE for 20% off at checkout. So yeah, click the link in my bio or go to manscaped.com.
She doesn't know if I'm getting a video of her or not.
Oh my god.
Pimped out. Pimped out.
I want to see.
One
No one saw that, by the way.
Yeah, funny. When Bill's done talking, if you guys want to put him in neutral or park, you guys can rev him up a little bit to get some noise.
Okay.
I
Cool.
want to see that. I hope that. Do you do like full-on videos, or you just do like small clips?
I'm gonna do both. So I'm gonna do like Instagram and then like a YouTube video on the whole
I'll
thing.
have to get information. I want
Yeah.
to tag him. Alright, he's done talking. If you guys want to rev it up to get some footage.
Can I rev it?
Yeah.
You guys can rev it a little bit. It's good. I was gonna say there was something.
Anything else I need to know?
I mean, do you have questions?
No.
Alright, go ahead, have fun.
Thank you.
Hey,
This
Autumn.
is like the most draft ready race.
I know, I'm so excited for this one.
I want to get out of this.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is not gonna be good. Guys,
Autumn, we're
I'm gonna want one and I can't afford one.
I'm gonna come over next week and you're gonna have this in your damn front yard.
I wish.
You're gonna have a blue and a
Could
purple
you imagine?
car. But you have to wrap on this like you're purple but the blue.
Ugh.
Okay.
Honestly, if I had one of these, I want them in the ruby stone. Have you seen the ruby stone? It's called like Ruby Star. It's called like Ruby Star.
Is it maroon, red?
It's like this dark, like pink, like magenta, reddish color. It's so pretty.
Ooh.
That dude's on his knees taking pictures.
Damn, my guy. He's dedicated. That's a dedicated man. Tell us how you feel, sir. Oh, okay.
Stop.
Look at he's checking them out.
Let's do a quick radio check.
Oh.
We're doing a radio check. You
Oh,
have to reply.
ready? Blue, check. I forgot what color we were because we were red last time. Wow.
Wait, you got a copy? White copy.
These windows are so like
Let's get
gentle.
rolling. Bill said he'll catch up.
Okay.
So let's change up the order here. Let's have blue Porsche come up, and then we'll have white Lambo, red Ferrari.
Blue Porsche. Meow. My view is so pretty. Okay, bye. You need your seatbelt on, it says.
Okay, I'm getting there.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh fuck. What the fuck is that? Monster car wash?
Again, as-
Oh yeah, I already know I'm gonna like this car.
I don't think it'll be as fun either.
Do you hear those shifts?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so sick.
Ready?
Okay, guys. This car, I'm already in love with it, and like the shift sounds so crazy. I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if it catches it on camera, but this car is so sick.
Oh.
There's cops.
Officer.
Scary.
I don't know anything.
I'm scared. Okay, let's show where we're at. We're at this like super cool gas station thing. It's like a restaurant.
It is actually
They
super.
had these like cookies inside that were like
That's
this big. I think that's pretty cool.
so cute.
But yeah. I'm scared of the cops, so we're just gonna.
I know.
Guys, I don't know if actually I shouldn't say the speed to the camera. We're not gonna talk about it.
Not gonna talk about it. Sorry, sir.
recording.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at all these.
Okay, so we just got out of the Porsche.
We loved it. Loved it.
It was seriously like the best car ever, and it's my dream car, and now I just want it even more, so that's not good, that's dangerous, but yeah. I think now we're getting into the Lamborghini, and we're gonna leave the top down, even though it's a little cold, but I think it's worth it, so.
Yay.
And all the people here are enjoying all the cars, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, the view.
Oh yes, of course, we cannot forget that. It's amazing that we get to drive through this. Isa,
Dehydrated.
tell us about it, Autumn. How dehydrated?
Hello. Okay, so we are driving the Lamborghini now. I'm gonna give a little overview.
A little overview. Spaceship. It's a spaceship. Yes.
Scared.
Yeah, straight up. No roof. No sunroof.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. My hair is gonna get in.
Everywhere. Straight up.
Hopefully I can see. Watch, my hair's gonna blind me.
If you kill me, that's not gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, this is terrifying. Look how like tiny these roads are in this car.
This is a big motherfucker. Alright everyone, see, look at we're in. This thing is wide as fuck. Low key though, I'm doing this with the camera, it's kinda scary, like holding it out. Yeah.
That's still behind us a little bit. Yeah, that was not a very nice move there.
Well, I am officially back home after a long 2-hour drive, and I just wanted to say I'm super thankful and grateful to Xtreme Xperience for allowing me to come out and drive these supercars. If you guys didn't know, this is actually my first time ever driving any supercar, and it was just a really fun experience, and I loved meeting everyone there. Everyone was so nice and welcoming, and I'd love to do it again. So there's that, and I had the best day. And that's it. I never know what to say on outros, but here we are. So if you guys want to subscribe and watch more of my chaotic YouTube videos and adventures, please do, because I will be dropping more, and I'm just really excited to share my life with you guys.